Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello my students and welcome again to English for Iraq. We are still in Unit 6 about jobs. We learned the names of many different jobs. Today we will study in the activity book page 88. Page 88. Now lesson 9 we have exercise A. Write words that mean the opposite. Please focus here. We need the opposite, not the meaning, not the same meaning of the word. Now, number 1, to lose. The opposite is to win. And also we can say beat. To beat another team means to overcome that team. Number 2, lazy. We can say the opposite, hardworking, or also we can say active, but hardworking is more suitable. Number 3, polite, impolite. But we have also the word rude. It's suitable to be the opposite of polite. Now, number 4, pass. To pass the exam, to get high marks, yes, but the opposite is to fail the exam. Number 5, here, break. The opposite is repair. Now, I want to show something about a break. Break, it's not a noun here, it's a verb. And when you break something, when you break, for example, a glass, this means to destroy the glass and to make it into pieces. But here we are talking about cars, machines. When a car breaks, you need to repair the car, to take it to the mechanic. So break here means we are talking about cars and machines. Now, exercise B. What do we have here? Write the missing letters. Write the missing letters. We have some words, some vocabularies. In each vocabulary, we have some missing letters, lost letters. We want to know the meaning of them. Number 1, mechanic. Mechanic. CH. Mechanic. So the missing letters are CH. Number 2, bus driver. Bus driver, 2 words. Number 3, architect. Architect, also CH, but it's pronounced like K. Number 4, astronaut. Astronaut. Number 5, translator. Translator. And here please pay attention. OR, not ER. Yes, some like teacher, ER at the end. But here, translator, OR. Car, number 6, carpenter. 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 And now, my students, let's move to the next page, to page 89. And let's start with exercise C. Answer these questions with words from exercise B. So, the names of the jobs we had in exercise B, we are going to use them in this exercise to answer these questions. Now, number 1, who wears a uniform? A uniform means special clothes for some jobs. So in some jobs, people need to wear special clothes. Now, in exercise B, what we have? We have a bus driver. Some students told me that teacher, a bus driver doesn't wear special clothes or what we call a uniform. And this is a mistaken idea. On the contrary, a bus driver normally should wear some special clothes. Now, a uniform. Number 2, who repairs cars? A mechanic. Number 3, Who knows other languages like Arabic, English, French? Of course, it's the translator. Now, number 4. Who designs buildings? Who designs buildings? To design a building, to draw the shape and to plan how the building should look like in the future. The answer, an architect. Architect. Number 5. Who flies in a spacecraft? Flies from fly. But here we have present simple and we changed the letter Y into I. Then we add what? We add ES. In a spacecraft, so who flies in a spacecraft? An astronaut. Astronaut. Now, number 6. Who makes things with wood? If you know the word wood, you will guess the answer. So, who makes tables, chairs, closets? The answer is carpenter. Now, let's move to exercise D. Each of the words or phrases, so we have words and we have phrases. In the box here, in the box here, yes, is connected to a school subject. Now again, we will come to study about school subjects. Now, what we study in geography is different from what we study in history, different from what we study in mathematics, etc. Now, what should we do? We want to match the school subject with what we study in this school subject. Number 1, in religious education, RE, what we study from the books. The answers, I'm going to make the answers here in this space. Please pay attention here. Yes. So in religious education, we study about Islam. Number 2, in geography, what do we study? We study about the weather and about population. Population is or means the number of people living in one city or in one country. Number 3, in history, what do we study? Past events. Number 4, in mathematics, what do we study? We study about numbers and shapes because as you know, in mathematics we have many fields of studying. Number 5, home economics. Home economics. Now about number 5, in our schools, most of our schools we don't study home economics. In home economics, we learn about many things to do at home, like cooking, sewing. So what do we study? Cooking. Number 6, information technology is about computers. Now I will move to exercise E to write what? To write questions. Now I need to read the answers and to write suitable questions. Number 1, here. When I finish school, I am going to be a newspaper reporter. What is the most suitable question here? It's like that. Let's see. What are you going to be when you finish school? What are you going to be when you finish school? I replaced a newspaper reporter with what or by what? Now, number 2. I am going to study mathematics. The most important word here, mathematics, at university. So, how can I ask? What are you going to study at university? I replaced mathematics by what? And can you continue up after that? Now, number 3 and the last one. I am going to work at the airport. I am going to work at the airport. Airport is a place, so we have this. Where are you going to work? Yes, where are you going to work? My students, now we've finished, and for next lesson, please I want you, for next lesson, I want you to prepare the story of Bob and Basim. Thank you very much.